Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dragon Age The Veilguard game is crashing or crash on startup on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So the first solution is open up your Steam, then just click on the Dragon Age game. Now just click on the gear icon of your game. You will see the property, just click on that. Now here you will see the launch option. Now in the launch option just type -DX11. Guys, once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just type here -DX12. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the next command that you can try is -D3D11. Now once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution is just uncheck this box of enable the Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then go to the install file, then just click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now make a right click on your Dragon Age game launcher. Now, once you make a right click on the Dragon Age game launcher, click on the property, then just go to the compatibility tab. Now, here you will see the three options, which is compatibility mode and disable full screen optimization and administrator. Just uncheck these two boxes, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check the box of administrator. Now, click on apply. Now, launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still not working, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check the box of compatibility mode, choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so make sure that your graphic card are updated to the latest version, and also make sure that your Windows is updated. After all of these settings, simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope guys one of the solution fixed your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.